Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share my travel experiences and tips. Today I'm going to show you around Singha Park, Chiang Rai, a scenic park in a farm-like setting with tea plantations, orchards, trails, a tram and a petting zoo. Singha Park is a great place to visit for all ages and is a popular destination for locals and tourists alike. If you're looking for a peaceful day out away from traffic and noise, Singha Park is the place to go. I would highly recommend renting a golf cart to explore the park yourselves, as this will allow you to cover more ground efficiently and comfortably.
We got ourselves a 4-seater golf cart. It cost us 1,000 baht for a 2 hours rent. This is going to be fun. Singha Park is located in Mekong countryside, 12 kilometers from Chiang Rai city. The park was once a family-run farm owned by Boon Rod Brewery, the producers of Singha beer, Thailand's first brewery. The land was where the family grew barley to make their beer. The family decided to transform the farmlands into a sustainable agricultural tourism park and opened it to the public in 2012.
Our first stop was feeding the fish on the pond, which was filled with swans and fishes. The fish were so hungry and eager to eat the food we threw at them. It was fun to watch them jump out of the water and compete for the food. The swans were also very graceful and beautiful to see. Look at all those fishes. The kids love feeding them. Actually, I love feeding fish too. What do we have here? New driver driving golf cart? I know it is really fun, right?
The Lavender Garden at Singha Park in Chiang Rai is one of the main attractions within the park. It offers visitors a picturesque and fragrant experience surrounded by vibrant lavender fields. We took lots of photos and enjoyed the scenery. We stopped next by the rubber plantation and learn about the rubber processing process. We saw how the rubber trees were tapped for their latex, which is then collected and processed into rubber products. It was very interesting to see how rubber is made from nature.
After that, we visited the farm to feed the animals. This was my kids' favorite part of the park because they love animals. They got to feed piglets with baby bottles, which was an eye-opening experience. They drank the milk so fast as if they were very hungry, or they just greedy as pigs. They also fed other animals such as goats, sheep, and cows. Animal feeding at Singha Park provides an educational experience for visitors, allowing them to learn about different animal species and their behavior. It also offers an interactive element, allowing visitors to engage with the animals in a hands-on manner.
They even have zebras here. Yes, there are zebras in Singha Park. They were very friendly and curious about us. Finally, we stopped by the Fun Fair Park, which offers a range of exciting and entertaining activities for visitors of all ages. I challenged my daughters to try the zip line flying from tall building to the ground. To my surprise, the challenges is accepted. They wanted to try this challenging experience.
3, 2, 1. Here we go. We had such a great experience visiting Singha Park, Chiang Rai. And as for closing, we went to see the iconic big Zinga Statue. It is so big and majestic. It represents the logo of Singha beer and also the symbol of power, strength, courage, leadership, dignity, loyalty, perseverance and endurance in Thai mythology. It was a great way to end our day at Singha Park.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. See you next time. Bye.